One of honey's most well-known uses is as a natural cough suppressant. Research shows that honey can be just as effective as over-the-counter cough syrups in relieving coughs and improving sleep quality in children and adults with upper respiratory tract infections. Its thick, syrupy consistency helps coat and soothe irritated throat tissues, while its antibacterial properties fight off infection. Patient, honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help to keep wounds clean, moist, and protected from infection, promoting faster healing and reducing scarring. You can enjoy honey in countless ways. Add it to your tea, drizzle it over yogurt or oatmeal, or use it as a natural sweetener in your baking.